Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix unable to install an update on iPhone iOS 17.6. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open up your settings and go to general, go to software update, and here you should see the latest update, and then just click on update now and it should update on your iPhone. If it still doesn't if it doesn't work, what you can do is do a forced reset. So to do that, just press the volume up button and the lock screen. Unfortunately I cannot really do it during this screen recording, otherwise it would cut it. But you can Google how to hard reset the iPhone, and yeah, it should fix your problem. However, if it doesn't, what you can do is that you can go to settings and actually go to settings, go to search App Store, and then you can scroll down and toggle offload unused apps, and it should fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, you can try reverting back to an older version of your iOS and try that and see it should fix your problem. Or you can just take your iPhone to an Apple support center and they should fix your problem. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.